it's easy here to do it. Our talong, eggplant, like this and this and this, because it's so small already. We need to remove and do it another one. Kaya magtorta ako ng talong, kaya lang tamad ako sa pag-boil. Kaya easy lang dito. Dito ko yung kukun kung maliit na siya. It's ready. At lagyan ko po yan siya ng potato, carrots, onion, ang dami pang ihalo. So, ayan na siya. So, lagyan natin ang talong. Oh my god, nagsilaglag-lagan na. Okay, it's enough. It's too much. Oh my god. Okay, yan. And then, close it. And then, like this. For you to be able to very fast to do it. Okay. Since medyo malaki ang nas na gitna, ayan, ilagay natin. Okay, easy money. Okay, yes, ang bilis maging maliit. So, ayan na yung talong kanina, guys. Diba? Meron akong manual na machine, kaso pagod. May baby tayo, kailangan natin magmadali. Yun. Talong is life. Tapos dagdagan ko pa ito ng mga potato. Oh. Siya. Okay, alright. I still have here. Okay. And then ayan na siya. And then yeah, it's easy.